Welcome, Mohamed Amir, dispatched for a boundary first delivery of match 2 in season 8. With pose for the photographers. Babar Azam underway with a boundary. Only 2 men out. Here's a big shout. Has to change it. Oh, to get a finger on it. And is it a little nick onto the stumps? Wolfie is coming upstairs. Oh, and he's very good with the bottom hand. Here's the first maximum here in Karachi tonight. He decides to go straighter. Has he fatted it? You betcha. Here's another one. Oh, it's a good stick. Get up here. Here's 3 in a row. TK sixer. What a ripper.
That one's touch lower, airborne. Oh, it's gone the distance. Wow, what a strike. That also brings up the 50 partnership. And that's putting no pressure on any batsman whatsoever. A real loosener. A real loosener. And he's not going to miss out on one innings it's been so far. Just 28 balls, 54 runs on the board.
Well, he's been lifted, he's been swung, and he's been hit out of the ground. Hits it through the offside. Timing is really good. That goes away to the fence. Baba gets to his 50.
Well, partnership, one innings.
Slow this time goes over, long gone, and it's gone the distance. Picked up the slow one.
Here. And he doesn't care. Takes it on, but he can't get it all the way. So they finally hold on to one here to the Kings. Up into the night sky. Yeah, that's been cutting. He's in one of those hot zones. There's a big fella from Queensland. And has taken it. Imran Tahir of all people. Well done, Imran Tahir. Last ball, going to try and run 2, but he says, no, look, I'm looking after these older hamstrings. So, can't quite breach the 200. They get to 199 for 5 to Peshawar Zalmi.
There's a nick, and there's a huge wicket straight away. Wahab Riaz it is. Shajil walks. Swings over cover, times it beautifully over, extra maximum.
Bat speed, check out the bat speed.
High on the bat, and Jimmy Nation with his first delivery gets a huge wicket. Matthew Wade trying to go leg side, doesn't get any timing.
Useful. Lost the shape, tried to hit it too hard. Vernon Philander alongside, he's smiling for the bowler's sake. Big slingy fellow, and it doesn't come much easier. Hyder really can't believe it. McQueen, who's a local lad, gets welcomed by the captain of the Karachi Kings. Lovely wrist work, placement and timing to the 4 from the old boy.
Yep, 3, and he needs another one. 4, somewhere about there. That is brilliant batting, great placement. That's where the left hand will look to go with the spin. Like that, that's exactly what he wants. And that's exactly what Shoaib Malik wants too. I think that was the plan, but Shoaib Malik's seen it all before. They're not out of this quite yet, Karachi. And they're not going to do it either. It's going to finish with a boundary. Up and over. Up and over. Very clever batting. You might have seen him out. He's staying leg side of the ball because he knows there's a big, big gap over at third man and deep point. It's very clever.
He brings up his half century as well. The skipper for Karachi.
Sam go. It's gone big. Is it big enough? It's not. Oh, it's a bubble. Wahab Riaz. Holy schmoll.
1 wicket again. Malik goes high again. It's the same man. It's just gone over.
Oh, talk about salt into the wound. Lucky old man. Oh, beautifully played. Yorker missed by some margin. And the skipper races on to 66 now. Carved it, back with a point for more. Half century to Shoaib Malik, he's 13th, his second here at this venue. Oh, and there's the edge. Pays off, feet don't go and he tries to reach. Coming up towards midnight. 4 minutes away from midnight, last bill. And gets it all. What a shame it didn't happen a couple of deliveries earlier in the contest.